Hey guys, this is Amit and you're watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between Samsung Galaxy A12 versus Vivo Y31S. And we will discuss which one is better in camera, performance, display, body of the devices, features, communication chips and about the prices. And in the end of the video, I will tell you which one is better according to me. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let the comparison start with the camera, starting with the rear camera of the devices. A12 have quad camera setup, 48 megapixel of wide camera, 5 megapixel of ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel of macro camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. And about the Y31S, it have dual camera setup, 13 megapixel of wide camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. So the winner here is A12 because it have quad camera setup which have 5 megapixel of ultra wide camera. And about the selfie camera of the devices, A12 have 8 megapixel of wide camera, whereas Y31S have 8 megapixel of wide camera too. So I will call it a tie here because both of the devices have same sensors. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. Both of the devices have LED flash with HDR and panorama, so it's a tie here. And about the video recording options in the devices, A12 can shoot Full HD video max at 30 fps, whereas Vivo Y31S can shoot Full HD video max at 30 fps. So without a doubt, it's a tie here. Moving to the performance of the devices, let's start with the operating system of the devices. Both of the devices comes with Android 10 support, so it's a tie here. And about the user interface of the devices, A12 have one UI, whereas Y31S have one touch OS. So I will call it a tie here because it's up to you which UI you like it or not. It's up to you. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. A12 is powered by MediaTek Helio P35, whereas Y31S is powered by Snapdragon 480. So the winner here is A12 because it can give you faster processing speed. That's why the winner here is A12. And about the GPU of the devices, A12 comes with Power VR, whereas Y31S comes with Adreno 619. So clearly the winner here is Y31S because it can give you more FPS in games. Let's talk about the clock speed of the devices. A12 can clock at 2.3 GHz based on octa-core Cortex chipset, whereas Y31S can clock at 2.0 GHz based on octa-core Cortex chipset. So the winner here is A12 because it have higher clock speed. And about the RAM variants in the devices, Samsung Galaxy A12 have three options, 3, 4 and 6 GB of RAM option, whereas Y31S have 4 and 6 GB of RAM option. So the winner here is A12 because it have multi-RAM options. Let's talk about the internal storage of the devices. A12 have three storage options, 32, 64 and 128 GB, whereas Y31S have only 64 GB of option. So the winner here is A12 because it have multi-storage options. And about the external storage of the devices, both of the devices have dedicated micro SD card slot option, so it's a tie here. Moving to the display of the devices, let's talk about the screen size of the devices. A12 have 6.5 inches of display. In the other hand, Vivo Y31S also have 6.5 inches of display. So I will call it a tie here because both of the devices have same screen size. And about the screen to body ratio, Samsung Galaxy A12 have 85.8%, whereas Y31S have 84.7%. So it's a tie here because both of the devices have approximately the same ratio. Let's talk about the screen resolution of the devices. A12 have HD plus display, whereas Y31S have Full HD plus display. So the winner here Y31S because it can produce much more sharper images as compared to A12. And about the display type of the devices, A12 have PLS IPS display, whereas Y31S have IPS LCD display. So the winner here is A12 because it have 10% more better viewing angle as compared to Y31S. Moving to the body features of the devices, let's talk about the thickness of the devices. A12 have 8.9 mm of thickness, whereas Y31S have 8.4 mm of thickness. So the winner here is Y31S because of slimmer body. Talking about the weight of the devices, Samsung Galaxy A12 have 205 grams of weight, whereas Y31S have 185 grams of weight. So the winner here is Y31S because it have slightly lighter weight. And about the protective glass of the devices, both of the devices comes with the Gorilla Glass 3. So it's a tie here. Let's talk about the build quality of the devices. A12 have plastic back with plastic frame, whereas Y31S also have plastic back with plastic frame. So it's a tie here because both of the devices have same build quality. And about the SIM options in the devices, both of the devices have dual nano SIM support. So it's a tie here. Moving to some of the most important features in the devices. Starting with the fingerprint scanner of the devices. A12 have side-mounted fingerprint scanner, whereas Y31S have side-mounted fingerprint scanner too. So I will call it a tie here because both of the devices have same position of scanner. And about the sensors in the devices, A12 have only accelerometer, whereas Y31S have accelerometer, proximity, gyro and compass. So the clear winner here is Y31S because it have many sensors. Let's talk about the battery capacity of the devices. A12 have 5000 mAh of battery, whereas Y31S have 5000 mAh of battery. So I will call it a tie here because both of the devices have same battery capacity. And about the charging speed of the devices, A12 have 15 watts of fast charging, whereas Y31S have 18 watts of fast charging. So the winner here is Y31S because 18 watts of fast charging can charge up your device faster. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. Samsung Galaxy A12 have normal speakers, whereas Y31S have normal speakers too. So I will call it a tie here. And about the headphone jack of the devices, both of the devices have 3.5 mm of headphone jack. So it's a tie here. Moving to the communication chips in the devices, starting with the VLAN of the devices. A12 have Wi-Fi N, Wi-Fi Direct and Hotspot, whereas Y31S have Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct and Hotspot. So the winner here is Y31S because it have Wi-Fi AC. And about the Bluetooth version of the devices, Samsung Galaxy A12 have 5th generation of Bluetooth, whereas Y31 also have 5th generation of Bluetooth. So it's a tie here. Let's talk about the GPS chips in the devices. Both of the devices have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS. So it's a tie here. And about the USB connectivity of the devices, A12 have 2nd gen of Type-C connector, whereas Y31 have 2nd generation of Type-C connector. So it's a tie here. Moving to the prices of the devices. In the international market, Samsung Galaxy A12 is available from $180 and Y31s is available from $250. And in the Indian market, Samsung Galaxy A12 will start from 16,000 rupees, whereas Y31s is available from 17,000 rupees. So the conclusion of the video is, in the camera the winner is A12, in the performance the winner is A12, in the display the winner is Y31s, in the body segment the winner is Y31s, in the features of the devices it's a tie here, in the communication chips the winner is Y31s, and about the prices it's a tie here. So the decision is totally yours, which device you like the most so far, and let me know in the comment below what do you think which device is better for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment what's your thought in the comment below. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like our page TechDad. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, here is my Instagram ID on the screen. This is Amit and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.